Hi traders, and welcome to today's GBPJPY Securities Forex Market Analysis. My name is Duncan Cooper and I will be your host. Today I'll be focusing on the pound to the Japanese yen. So first we'll look at the news items coming out for the week, and then we'll have a look at the charts. Hi traders, just want to go through the news items first of all that could affect the pound Japanese yen, the pound reviewing today. So I'm just going to look at the red items. So moving into Wednesday, 4 PM in the afternoon, these are my time, Queensland time. We've got for the pound, CPI data year on year. Then moving into Thursday, 10:30 PM. For the US, we have the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, unemployment claims, and then on the midnight for Friday for the US as well, minor items, existing home sales. And a minor item there in Friday afternoon, 4 PM for the pound, we have the retail sale. So quite a light week for news this week. So with that in mind, just note those items and let's get to the charts. Alright traders, let's start on the monthly chart. Now I've got monthly support here at 150.97 where we false broke last month. This month now we're challenging, we are above, slightly above 168.72 monthly resistance. Are we going to see a breakout above here? Can we break out above, or will we move back down the range and hold in that range there? So that's the big question. What's going to happen over the next probably week of trading? Will 168.72 monthly resistance hold, or are we breaking out? Alright, let's move down to the weekly chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the weekly chart we can see this false breakdown here of monthly support, and I put in here weekly support 167.35 at the moment. Still classing these tops as resistance. There's a weekly resistance top here at 168.42 and that's that monthly high. So that's a monthly high but still a weekly high. So we've moved above 1, 2, 3 weekly tops. In 4 weekly tops here, there's one to the left there as well. So are we moving considerably higher now? Or, as I said, over the next week, will we see a false break of this monthly resistance area here at the top? Alright, let's drop it down to the day chart and have a look. Alright traders, onto the day chart now. I'm just putting day support down here at 165.71. So we've moved above all these tops at the moment, a day top, 3 weekly tops, that monthly top there. So yesterday we closed above. So the big question will be today, can we close for a second day, a third day above? Can we move continually higher? Does this potentially broken level of resistance on a pullback become support? Can we put in a higher bottom at that area for a continued move up? Now, I'm just waiting and watching. I want to see structure form here to tell me that price can continue to move up above that resistance level. If we start to get a close, say today for example, below these resistance levels, so if we close back below today, that's probably going to confirm a false break, and then you want to start to look for that area to be resistance on a retest. Can it form a lower top on the day chart for a movement back down the range? So we're at a critical level of resistance on the monthly chart. We're going to continue to move up and form a higher bottom at that level and become support, or are we going to close back below that level? Does that level become resistance for a movement back down the range? So over the next week I'm just watching that level, looking for a bit more information, but we're at a critical level on the pound yen there. We could, if we false break, have a very healthy movement back down the range. So it's worth watching 168.72 monthly resistance. Can price hold above that level for a move higher, or simply false break for a movement back down the range? Alright traders, that's my analysis for today. Have a great trading week. Look forward to seeing you next time.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at GBPJPY Securities, as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week: 18th of October,
Forex trading live market analysis.
During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunities, and answer your trading questions. 19th of October, Order Blocks, Introduction to Smart Money Concepts, Part 2. In this webinar, Duncan will show you how to identify institutional order blocks on the higher time frame charts. Order blocks can act as strong support or resistance levels and offer high probability trading levels for traders to trade around. 20th of October, Live Forex Market Review, identifying high probability trading levels. Follow the link below for a full schedule and join for free.